to send funds from a Binance app using Binance ID or Binance UID. They are all the same thing. First of all, how to get your UID. If you open your Binance app, this is how the homepage should look like. Click on here. The page the Binance sign is. Click on ID. Just touch it to copy. Then go back. Go to wallet. Click on withdrawal. Click withdraw. Now for the purpose of this video, we'll be sending USDT. So under this search coin, you can search for any coin. If you look under here, you will see my search history. These the coins I have searched for some time now. For the purpose of this video, like I said, we'll be using USDT. So click USDT. Now send via crypto network. That's send through blockchain. When you send via crypto network, you'll be paying for gas fee. Or for the purpose of this video, we'll be using via email, phone number or ID. So send that the second option, send via email, phone or ID. Select it. Or under send mode, make sure it's Binance ID. You may open your own and see email. You may open your own and see phone number. But for here we'll be using email. We'll be using Binance ID, sorry. Select Binance ID here. You input the person's Binance ID here. Now you input the next option, the amount you want to send to the person. The next option, note, assuming you want to write to that person, the purpose of sending or anything like that, just put it down here. Then you click send. That's how you send from your account to the person's account without paying for transaction fee or